This Chrome. So, hey you folks, are you also facing the same issues as mine? Then it's time to get rid of the headache. So without creating any delay, let's get to the solution. Firstly, press on the three dot on the top right. Press on settings and then you will redirect to this page, and here you can search privacy and security. Press on privacy and security, and then on this page you can see on the top there is clear browsing data. You can press on that, and on the bottom of your phone you can see clear data option. You can press on clear data and clear all the browsing data of the Chrome. Here you can see use secure DNS. Press on that, turn this on and choose another provider, and on the customize use OpenDNS. Now go back and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now you can search any domain name and see if this will again pop out the same or redirect to the domain. I have been redirected to the domain, but if you haven't, then this might be the issue of internet service provider, or you can try another way. Scroll up to the notification panel and then go to the Wi-Fi setting and then press on the side of the Wi-Fi. Then here you can see IP setting, make it to static, and then on DNS1 unless overwritten by private DNS, make here 1.1.1.1. This is the Cloudflare DNS. Sometimes the DNS might be stuck and might not be working directly from the Chrome, so we are forcing the internet service provider to let us to use that domain. And now you can search for any domain and then you can try if it redirect to the domain or not. This issue is occurring with everyone, so we cannot say that this will fix your issue or not, but you can try clearing the cake. Go back to the home screen, keep on pressing the Chrome and you will see app info. Click on app info, and then on the bottom you can see clear data. Then in there you can clear all the cake of the Chrome, and then go back and search for the domain and see if it work or not. Sometimes the problem might be that your phone is not being able to create connection with the server, so sometimes this might be the problem of server also. So no, you don't need to worry about that. And even after doing all this your issue isn't fixed, then leave a comment below and we will try to research more on this topic. But it's per my idea, this must fix your issue. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe our channel and put the bell icon on all.